WishTrip Game Wizard – Setting up your language preferences. Before you create your game, you need to decide what languages it will be in. The first screen in the wizard invites you to select the language or languages for your game. WishTrip allows you to create your game in multiple languages. Start by selecting your primary language, then use the Add Language button to add as many languages as you want. Remember, you can always add more languages later. Your game will automatically appear in the user's own language if their phone's language preferences match one of your defined languages. If not, the game will appear in the language you have defined as the default. You can change your default language by clicking on Make Default under your chosen language. Tip: although you can add as many languages as you want, you will not be able to publish your game until you have added content in all your selected languages. To avoid delays, you can start with 1 or 2 languages and add more later. Once you're done, click Next, and check out our next video to learn how to start building your game.